forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss determinant. Every square matrix of order n we can associate a number real or complex is known as its determinant. Determinant of a matrix of order 1. Let A be a square matrix of order 1. Means there are one row and one column. So only single element of first row and first column. Then its determinant is denoted by, we can write this way, determinant A, we can write del means sign of triangle, or we can also write this is sign of determinant. This is not a sign of mode. Determinant A is equal to single element as it is, and whenever single element then write as it is. So determinant of single element is element itself. Second number, determinant of a matrix of order 2. Let A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix, means element of first row and first column, element of first row and second column, element of second row and first column, element of second row and second column. This is 2 by 2 matrix. The determinant of this matrix is denoted by this symbol. And how can we simplify 2 by 2? Is equal to, first multiply this into this, a11 into a22, then minus sign, and this into this, a12 into a21. Next, determinant of a matrix of order 3. Let A be a square matrix of order 3, means 3 by 3. Then its determinant is denoted by this. How can we simplify 3 by 3 determinant? So first find sign of position of each element. How can you find sign? In this way. Minus 1 raised to the power sum of suffixes, means 1 plus 1. Sign of first element. Sign of second element, minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2. Third element, minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3. Minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 1. A22, minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 2. Minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3. Minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 1. Minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 2, and minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 3. So first find sign of each element of determinant, and it is minus 1 raised to the power 2. So even sign means plus. Minus 1 raised to the power 3, minus sign. Minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3, plus minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So these elements in red color are of minus sign. Sign of these elements minus. Now how can we simplify? we can expand any determinant by R1, R2, R3 or C1, C2, C3. So first we are taking expanding along R1. Equal to, in R1 there are three elements. So A11 into determinant obtained by eliminating first row and first column. Hide first row and first column and write remaining four elements in determinant. A22, A23, A32, A33. After this sign, which sign will take? First plus, then second sign minus. Then write A12 into determinant obtained by eliminating first row and second column. One represent first row and second represent second column. So eliminate first row and second column. Write remaining four elements. A21, A31, A23, A33 plus A13 into determinant obtained by eliminating first row and third column. So write A21, A22, A31, A32. And after this, easily we can simplify 2 by 2 determinant, this into this minus this into this. Now expanding along column 1. Now this is column 1. So A11 into determinant obtained by eliminating first row and first column. So A22, A23, A32, and A33. After this A21, and sign of A21 is this place minus. Attend sign plus minus, no two sign together in horizontal and vertical. Now A21, so eliminate second row and first column. This is second row and first column. So write these four elements 1, 2, 3, 4. A12, A13, A32, A33. After this A31, sign of A31 positive plus sign, and A31 into determinant obtained by eliminating third row and first column. Third row and first column. So write these four elements A12, A13, A22, A23. Similarly, we can expand this determinant by C2, C3, R2, R3. In each case, value of determinant remains same. Let's do some practice question. Evaluate this. This is 2 by 2 determinants. How can you simplify 2 by 2 determinants? Just cross multiply this into this. 2 into 2 minus this into this. This is first question. Next time write directly. 4 minus plus 4 is equal to 8. Next problem. Evaluate 1, 1 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 3, 5, 4 minus 9. Determinant of matrix of order 3. First enter the sign. First place positive sign, second minus plus. No two sign together, horizontal or vertical. First write plus sign and then 1 into determinant obtained by eliminating first row and first column. मतलब इसको eliminate कर दो. And now write remaining 4 elements. 1, 4, minus 3, minus 9. After this write minus sign and this element into determinant obtained by eliminating first row and second column. So write these 4 elements 2, minus 3, 5 and minus 9. Then plus sign. Then write minus 2 into determinant obtained by eliminating first row and third column. So write 2, 1, 5, 4. Now simplify. How can you simplify 2 by 2 determinants? This into this minus this into this. This into this minus 9 minus this into this minus 12. 4 into minus 3 minus 12 minus 1 in bracket. This into this minus 18 minus 5 3 is 15 minus 2 4 2 is 8 minus 5. Next time you can write directly also these steps. No need to write these steps. Directly 1 into this minus 9 minus 12 minus 9 plus 12 minus 18 or plus 15. So minus 3 minus 2 and plus 3 minus 6 minus 9 or 12 3 plus 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. Next problem. If A equal to this is 3 by 3 matrix. Then show that determinant 3A is equal to 27 times determinant A. First find determinant is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 2 4. Now expanding along R1. 1 into determinant obtained by eliminating first row and first column. So this is for this 2 by 2 determinant 1 2 0 4. So cross multiply 1 into 4 4 minus 0 into 2 0. Then second minus 0 into any number, so 0, so no need to write this into this into this, time wasting. Then plus 1. Now simplify this, 0 into this 0 minus 1 into 0 0. So simplify, we get 4. Therefore 27 into determinant A is equal to 27 into 4 is equal to 108. Now find value of determinant 3A. So first find 3A. 3 into matrix A. 3 into 1 3. 3 into 0 0. 3 into 0 0. 3 into 0 0. 3 into 1 3. 3 into 0 0. 3 into 1 3. 3 into 2 6. 3 4 is 12. If we multiply any scalar with any matrix, then we multiply each member of matrix by that scalar. Therefore determinant 3A is equal to 3 0 0 0 3 0 3 6 12. And now expanding along R1. We can expand this determinant by either R1, R2, R3, C1, C2, C3. Normally we take R1. Now first 3. Sign of 3. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So sign of 3 is plus. Plus 3 or in bracket. 12 3 is 36. Minus 0. Then minus 0 into any number 0. So no need to write bracket. Now plus 3 in bracket 0 minus 0 is equal to 36 3 is 108. 27 into determinant equal to this and determinant 3A equal to 108, means both are equal. Therefore, determinant 3a is equal to 27 into determinant a. Hence, proved. Next problem. Find values of x if this is equal to this. This is 2 by 2 determinant. Simplify this into this. 2 into 1 2 minus 5 4 20 is equal to this into this. 2x square minus 6 4 24. Next step, 2 minus 20 minus 18. Same 24 dead side. So 24 minus 18, 6 is equal to 2x square. So x square is equal to 6 upon 2, 3. So x equal to plus minus root 3. Please take care during such type of questions. These two are determinants. So don't compare both sides. 2 equal to 2x or x equal to 1. This is wrong method. Please take care. In next lecture, we will discuss properties of determinants. Thank you. Have a nice day.